guys, welcome back again. My name is Delphine and I'm super excited returning back to you. You know why I'm this happy? It's because I am here to give you an amazing news, okay? As we all know, every 25th of December, a festival is happening. Yes, a festival is happening in Takoradi. Today, I'm here to take you around what is happening in Takoradi. If you are not there, worry no more because I'm here for you, okay? Just sit back like the king and the queen that you are. Let's take a look at this video and please, at the end of it, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
Look at the 24th December. This year, my first time, baby. Now, we are my band here, not my band. They tell me what I'm for you. Before my home, one, I'm supposed to push your videos. I mean, yes, anytime you could find, you can confirm video in the premier. There are a lot of things will happen. There are interviews, there are live, there are reporting, and there are a lot of things will happen over here. Look at the other people, come a fool. I don't be able to put in Kunawa. I mean, I don't know what to put. Basil, Chenkuchin Quanka Sanka Sankasa. I don't know what Chenkuchin. Ewaha. And ye, Minia, and ye. Hey, Kaka. Esse é muito bom, mano. Mesmo update isso assim. Mami process aí de hoje, né? Até me enye bibia. Me microphone, e eu cuino na área. ye boy interview na ne sa what I say intime microphone bia na fi ye kwa na fi ye fi na ye interviews no with other phone no ene ha mo no so e de mo bia no bia so nya bia hwe on Amesi TV minia endo na me tire mo obi concert obi ehun ye course e obi concert before na na de ni kirem e wo Takoradi me no ka say de for pepe na me do Takoradi ne mpakem minia me what Takoradi mo ntin so ande de me ne tadi for the AD omo afashion omo festival yes e be di wa Amesi TV so e mo bia so nya bi ahwe e wo ha no ka say traffic no ana efiase e wo ha traffic na efiase wo ha me nya dey traffic na efiase no traffic no ana no ka say dey si ano afa no the road wey dey see o ma jaboso o be fi mu ha road o ma jaboso ani o ma di road wey so aboso ani tule 4 no o ma jini na ade aboso e wo ha no ka say dey Takoradi and you want to fancy culture and the cost for her 25th we need our time and the cost for her we go to my room now